Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to update about the Amla wine or Amla tonic I have made on live video before. Those who has not watched the live video before, I have added the recipe again. Watch until end to get the update and also to know about the whole procedure. I will just show you what are the ingredients I'm using today. Amla and then jaggery যেটাকে আমরা গুড় বলি বাংলায়, and গোলমরিচ, black pepper, দারচিনি, this is cinnamon sticks, and কিছুটা লবঙ্গ আর এলাচ, long, and this is cardamom. Okay, and I have some ginger. I'm going to cut in thick slices. I have cut the ginger size slices. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients I'm going to use. So I have a sterilized jar and I will be adding all the ingredients in the jar, but before that I will wash the amla, gooseberries. So I will take a bowl. Have to wash it very well. Now I have to ensure that there is no water when I'm adding the amlas in the jar. So what I will do now, I will wipe it off. I will take a tray. Take a thick cloth and then wipe this. This cloth should be very clean. You have to ensure that everything is very clean and hygienic. You have to maintain the hygienity. The whole process will take more than 1 month, 1 month to 1.5 months. So that's why we have to ensure everything is very clean before we add anything in the jar, and the jar should be sterilized. So at home, this is how I work. Everything is scattered. Okay, so now because I want them to be very dry, not a single drop of water, so I have to ensure that I'm wiping them properly and fully. So what I will do, I will just use hand dryer just for a while, not too much. I don't want them to make hot. I will just use the fan. So that my amla should be totally dry when I'm entering in the jar. And this way I can ensure that there is no water. It's just a fan. It will not make the amla hot. My hands are clean and everything I'm using is very clean here. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so what I will do, first I will add jaggery inside. Okay. This is my first layer, and then I'm going to add the amlas, and then in between I'm adding the ginger slices. I hope you are able to see me. And some cinnamon sticks. This will add some nice flavor, and the ginger slices will add the yeast, the wild yeast I'm looking here, because the wild yeast will help to ferment the amlas and with the help of the jaggery. So as we all know, amla is very healthy. It has lots of different kind of vitamins, especially vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin A. And this tonic is so healthy. It will help you to reduce hair fall problems. It will help you to glow your skin. It will keep the heart well. And there are lots of health benefits of this tonic. And this is very popular in Kerala. They call it, I think, Nellika aristam, if I'm not wrong. And those who are concerned about alcohol, let me tell you, this will create some alcohol, because when you ferment and when you add sugar or jaggery or honey, we get some alcohol there. So it's up to you. I can't force that you have to focus on the health. It's up to you. If you think that you are not comfortable with the alcohol portion, then I think you can avoid. But let me tell you, this is very healthy. Children also can take in a very little amount, because there will be some alcohol. But as we all know that when we take the cough syrup and those kind of tonic and syrup, it has alcohol, because the alcohol will preserve everything. So I'm adding some long and cardamom and this cinnamon sticks, and now I'm going to add some black pepper. This is the whole black peppers I'm going to add. These all have lots of health benefits, not only the amlas, even the ginger, the black pepper, the cinnamon, cardamom, long, everything has lots of health benefits. So I think this tonic will be really healthy, and it will boost your immunity. So if you don't have the concern about the alcohol part, I think this can replace many medicines. Yeah. So now I'm going to add the jaggery. Traditionally in Kerala, they make it in the ceramic pot. I think they call it varni or something. But I choose this jar so that you can see from this side how I am arranging the amlas and jaggery. So when you are making at home, you can actually use the ceramic pot. And those who want to use the terracotta, mitti, the one what we call mati patro, you can use that also. So we have to ensure that the jaggery is covering the amlas very well from top. This tonic also will help you to reduce the toxin from body, and if you have iron deficiency, anemia, those are having iron deficiency and anemia, it's really good for them, because amla has also lots of minerals and iron. So this is really healthy tonic. That's why we can call it immunity booster. So I will use the lid. This is not fully airtight. If you have airlock system, you can definitely use that. If you don't have, because I know many people are not having the airlock system, so that's why I'm using this kind of jar. But at least this lid has something, this will make very less air to go in. So it's kind of airtight. It's not totally airtight, it's kind of. So we'll just cover it. And now I'm going to use one more kitchen towel. You can use this kind of cloth also, and you can put in a very dark place and just put one rubber band, and then just leave it for 1.5 months or 1 month. But I'm going to use kitchen towel. So after 1 month or 1.5 months, you will see everything became very black. It will be looking like tonic. But I will tell you that even if it looks like very healthy and tonic, and the amlas will be shrink to like the size will shrink, but there will be some sediment behind, at the bottom side. Just like if you look at this jar, you can see that there is sediment at the bottom. So when we ferment, I have told in my all the videos, mostly I have told many times that when we ferment, when we are trying to make vinegar, almost same process here also. We are not going to the vinegar, the second phase. This is the first phase. We are trying to create alcohol, because this tonic basically called Amla wine. So we are trying to make wine, and that's why it's with high alcohol. So when we ferment, there will be some sediment at the bottom, those dead yeast skin and the bacteria. So that's why when you are trying to take out the tonic from the jar, you have to be very careful. Just open the lid and towel, and then gently pour the liquid like this, so that you will not take the sediment. You have to be very careful. Just take the tonic from the top and let the sediment stay at the bottom side. So this is how you have to take out the tonic from the jar. So this was the whole recipe, and I hope you have enjoyed the recipe and make at home.